Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to get satellite view on Google Maps. Friends, if you want to turn on satellite view on Google Maps, then you need to open Google Maps on your mobile phone. Now here press on the profile picture. Now here press on settings. Now press on app and display. Now here you need to turn on start app in satellite view. Turn it on. Now your Google Maps will show in satellite view. It will consume little bit more internet, but you will find in satellite view. So friends, like this you can very easily get satellite view on Google Maps. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.